Hey coders! Today I'm going to show you 5 amazing coding hacks that will save you hours of time and make your workflow super smooth. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tips are guaranteed to level up your game. So let's dive right in. First up, stop wasting time writing boilerplate code. Use tools like Emmet in VS Code. With just a few keystrokes, you can expand abbreviations into full HTML or CSS structures. For example, type exclamation mark and hit tab. Bam! You've got a full HTML skeleton ready to go. Next, debugging just got a whole lot easier. Instead of using plain old console.log, try console.table when debugging objects or arrays. It formats your data into a clean, readable table right in your console. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. Want to code faster? Learn your IDE shortcuts. In VS Code, Ctrl+D lets you select the next matching word, and Alt+arrow keys moves a line up or down. Spend a few minutes learning these shortcuts. They'll save you hours over time. Ever spent hours fixing bugs caused by a missing semicolon? Here's the solution. Enable linting in your editor. Tools like ESLint highlight errors as you code, so you catch them early. Plus, you can set it to auto-format your code when you save. Super handy. Finally, let AI do some of the heavy lifting. Tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT can generate code, suggest fixes, and even write entire functions. It's like having a coding buddy right there with you. But remember, always double-check the AI's suggestions. And there you have it, 5 hacks to save you time and make coding more fun. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching Code with Lasa. See you in the next one.